Hi guys, I'm Engineer HB and welcome to Squid Game. So joke lang. So I'm Engineer HB again and welcome to the ride. So in today's video guys, we're going to discuss or answer a sample problem from geometry, of course, under engineering mathematics. So let us continue the hype no ng movie. So joke lang ulit. So halika, simulan natin na ito. Itong problem na ito. Okay? So I will read the problem first. An open box with dimensions 5 by 4 by 3 meters is shown below. An ant is located at the upper corner B. If the ant would like to reach the opposite lower corner point E, traveling along the walls and floor, what is the path that it should follow such that it travels the shortest distance between B and E? So the problem is tungkol sa langgam na nandito sa point B. So andyan kunwari yung langgam na gustong pumunta ng point E, but there's some restriction na syempre yung langgam should use floors and walls in order to come from point B to point E. Kasi yung problem na ito is may isip natin agad na si ant para makapuntang point E is diretso lang na ganun. O kung sa tinatawag na space diagonal. But there's a restriction that of course the ant should use walls and floors. No? And syempre ang tanong, pinakatanong is what is the path that it should follow such that it travels the shortest distance. So maraming option na pwedeng gawin si ant from point B to point E, no, using walls and floors. Pero ang tanong, what is that shortest distance? So makikita natin yan sa next slide. So in order for us to elaborate more the figure or the scenario, no, nilatag natin yung cube, no, or yung parallelepiped, ilatag natin, no, para mas makita natin kung ano pa yung mga pwede niyang daanan. So I will write all the measurements. So dito is ang lapad niya ay 5 meters. Okay? So ito yung taas natin kanina. So this is the height. So this is 4 meters. And of course, this is 4 meters also. No? So ibig sabihin, ito ay 4 din. 4 meters din. And ito yung pinaka-base natin kanina. So this is a 3 meters. So si 5 and 3 meters yung pinaka-base natin kanina. Gaya niya kanina. Yan. So ito yung 3. So ito yung 3 din. Yan. So ito yung 5. So ito yung 4 sa taas. So ito yung 4. Pag ginanyan mo yung cube, of course, this 3 by 5 is your base. Kagaya nung kanina dito. So 3 by 5. So ito yun. 3 and 5. Okay, so all of the measurements are already complete. No? So the ant is at point P. Kunyari nandyan si ant. At gusto niya mag-travel to point E. Okay. So ang una nating pwedeng gawing journey ni ant is from point B to point C, and then point C diretso hanggang point E, no? Pwede niyang lakbayin yan kagaya ng nasa drawing. So pwede siyang gumanyan, gumanyan, at gumanyan. So ibig sabihin, this is a 5. And from C to H, that was a 4 meter distance. And from point H to point E, so that was 3 meters. So pagplasin natin siya, so kung dito, this is sabihin natin B to C to E, so that was 5 meters. So B to C is 5 meters, C to H is 4, and H to E is 3 meters. So that was 5 plus 3 meters plus 4 meters. O para hindi tayo malito. So that was 4 meters plus 3 meters. So that was equal to 9 plus 3, 12 meters. Okay? So yan si BCE. So yan yung pwede niyang lakbayin. But obviously, medyo malaki yung distance na ito or yung amount ng distance na ito para makapaglakbay si ant from point B to point E. Pero makikita natin mamaya sa other options kung may mas maliit pa ba. So the second path that pwede nating makita na mag-travel si ant from point B to point E is that From point B, maglalakad muna siya to point G. At from point G, maglalakad siya to point E. So kung dito, makikita natin, ang sinasabi ko is from point B to point G, bababa muna siya dyan. Tapos, maglalakbay siya diagonally from point G to point E. Okay, so ang magiging distance niyan is B to G to E. So from B to G, obviously, the distance is 4 meters. And of course, from G to E, hindi pa natin alam kung ano yung distance na yan or amount ng distance na yan. But this is a right triangle. We can form a right triangle out of that rectangle. So we all know that G to F is, what is G to F? 3 meters. And from F to E, that was 5 meters. So basically, this is a 3 squared plus 5 squared. So that will become 25 plus 9 is square root of 34. So we all know that the square root of 34 is equal to 5.83. So 5.83 plus 4 meters. So that was 9.83 meters. Okay. Gawin lang natin yung M. Medyo pangit. And ayan. Basically, 12 meters is eliminated already on the option kasi 9.83 is shorter than 12 meters. Okay, but still BCE is an option sa journey nung pero that's not the shortest distance. So as of now, BGE or the 9.83 meters is the shortest distance. So try natin yung ibang option. So burahin ko muna to. So drawing ko na lang ulit yung arrow. Okay, so ganito guys. So meron pa tayong ibang options. Ang aking naiisip ay from point B. So since this is a wall, sabihin natin dito. From point B, syempre dadaan siyang dito sa pader na to, somewhere here at the middle of G or H, G to H or pwedeng bago maggitna ng G to H, di natin alam yung distance, bago siya pumunta sa point E. Okay, nagigets mo ba ang distansya or yung drawing? So from point B, papuntang somewhere between of G to H, pwede nating sabihin point K, papuntang point E. Okay, so dito sa perspective na ito, no, pwede nating sabihin o somewhere between the G and H is a point K, bagong point. So magta-travel si B papuntang K, tapos magta-travel naman papuntang from K to point E. Okay? So pwede natin siyang tawagin B, K, E. So pwede ko nang burahin ito para hindi magulo. Yeah. So yan yung naging drawing, no? So from B to K, hindi natin alam yung distance, and of course yung K to E, hindi natin din alam yung distance. But notice guys that BKE forms a right triangle, no? At ito yung naging kakalabasan niya, no? Ito si K, ito si E, and ito si B. And they form a right triangle with point F. Okay? Wait lang. Pangit yung F eh. Yan. Kung tutusin, pwede nating kunin si G to K na distance by right triangle. And si H to K, of course, kung makuha ko itong sukat ng G to K, minus ko lang siya sa 4, meron ng K to H. At pwede na tayo mag-Pythagorean triangle ng dalawa para makuha yung exact. Pero, I'm telling you guys, since this triangle creates a right triangle, this BKE creates a right triangle with point F. So, yun na yung distance na makukuha natin. Okay? So, we all know that B to F is 4 meters plus 3 meters. So, 4 meters plus 3 meters. Siya yung B to F. So, that was 7 meters. And we all know that F to E is 5 meters. No? So, ang B to E is so that was 7 squared plus 5 squared. So it will become 49 plus 25. So that was square root of 74. And we all know that square root of 74 is 8.6. So ang BKE natin is square root of 74 and that amount is 8.6 meters. Okay. So ibig sabihin guys, ibig sabihin guys, eliminated na si 12 meters kanina and eliminated na si 9.83 meters. So dahil ang pinaka-short na distance, no, or the shortest distance na meron tayo ngayon is 8.6. Tingnan natin, no, dun sa susunod na option natin kung mas malaki pa siya or mas lilit pa siya kay 8.6. So this is not the final answer yet. Okay? So ang pwedeng isa pang option na pwedeng lakbayan ni Ann is from point B, pero ang point B na yun ay eto na. So this is the same point kasi nilatag mo lang yung box, no? So pwede siyang from point B, let us say from point B, pwede naman siyang pumunta rito somewhere here between point G and point F and siya pupunta kay point E. So parang yung nangyari lang sa B to K to E, kaso dito naman sa kabila. So, pwede nating sabihin yung point na to is point L, no, kasi may K na tayo kanina. So, point L naman. So, magiging mangyari from point B to point L, then from point L to point E. So, somewhere here between G and F, or bago mag-gitna, merong point L. So, ibig sabihin, lalakbay muna si point B to point L. So, medyo malayo yung natin, assume, pero ng drawing, right, doesn't matter. So, from point B to point L, maglalakad muna si Ant. Then, from point L to point E, ay maglalakad ulit siya. So, parang yung kanina dito. From point B to point L, and from point L to point E. So, pag nilatag ko yung cube, from point B to point L, then point L to point E. Okay? So parang ginawa natin kanina sa BKE, gagawin din natin sa BLE. So BLE creates a right triangle, as you notice here guys, with point A and E. So the drawing will become BLE. So BLE, then this is point A. So we all know that A to F is 4 meters. And then F to A is 5 meters. So that was 4 plus 5. So that was 9 meters. And from point A to B, that was 3 meters. So this will become, so wag natin tapat sa L. Buray natin yung L. Pasok ko lang sa loob. So this distance will become Pythagorean theorem, 3 squared plus 9 squared. So that was 9 plus 81. So that was square root of 90. Okay. So ang BLE is square root of 90. So obviously 90 is greater than 74. So automatically hindi na to mas mababa sa 8.6. Pero kunin pa rin natin yung value. So this will become 9.49 meters. Okay, so that's our last option. So, ibig sabihin, sa apat na pwede niyang paglakaran, no? Kasi wala na akong naisip na pwede niyang paglakaran. So, pwede naman ito from point B to point C, then C to H, then H to C ulit, no? Tas C to D, tas D to E. Kaso, sobrang laki na ng distance yan. And it exceeds 12 meters. So, ang pinaka pwede niya na lang gawin, based dito sa drawing, is dito sa portion na to siya maglakad papuntang point E and dito. At nagawa na natin iyon sa ating drawing dito. So, ibig sabihin, itong apat na option lang ang pinaka-possible. So, out of the 4 results that we got, the shortest distance is 8.6 meters. Okay, guys, sana may natutunan kayo ngayon. And syempre, marami pa tayong i-upload na videos, no, for mathematics, power plant, and machine design. So, subscribe na po kayo sa ating channel, and of course, please follow my page na nakalagay sa link. Salamat sa pakikinig and see you on our next videos. Bye-bye. Hindi ko na-edit.